was from yesterday. It was really, really, it's like a disaster that we are facing. And, the water just came up till our throat and all. And then we don't know what to do. But suddenly, our heroes, Gokha Regiment, they came inside and then they took us out from the disaster. And then we are here safe and sound.
We are so grateful today for the rescue team who has come and saved us today with this 2-month-old baby of mine. They did such a good job. We're so glad that we gave a rescue.
I came from Peru to pick them up, and luckily they are safe. So thank you very much to the Indian Army.
यहाँ में तलकुल एवेन्यू और ये नगरम इस साइड में बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्लड हुआ है लगभग 5-6 फीट क्योंकि ज़मीन का आमतौर लहर के उसके हिसाब से पानी बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ है इसके कारण से अच्छा लोग महिलाएं और बहुत बुजुर्ग आदमी लोग निकल नहीं पाए हैं जिसको हमारा ये 57 माउंटेन जीप का इंटीरियर बैग का 15 लोग आया 7 लोग आया और हमको अभी रेस्क्यू किया इसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ।